Guys, this is a cute little creek, y'all. It's nice and breezy. It's not humid. It's gorgeous. It just is. Listen to the natural sounds. Listen to it. This is what I missed when I was in Texas. And I know y'all say, oh, they had all of that there. Nah, it's something, it's different for when you're here. Because when you're here, it's just a little bit more beautiful, guys, because it feels better. I don't like hot and humid weather. I like nice and cool. And this is what it is. It's nice and cool.